what's up YouTube? Back again with another video. In this video, we're going to talk about setting up a SIEM, which is an event management system, where we can take logs and look for alerts. So if you want to work on blue team as a stock analyst or you want to be incident response, this video is great for you. So we're going to go over to elastic.co and we can set up a free trial. I'll go ahead and use my Google account. I'll go ahead and set up a free trial, no credit card, anything needed, which is great. I'll go ahead and name my lab sim lab. You can just click anything as far as you want for how familiar you are. You can say you're new, your primary goal, you can just say learning, training. Now we're going to do Elastic for security, and we're going to do serverless. And we can go ahead and launch this instance. So it's going to load up a cloud instance for us for with GCP. So that's Google Cloud. And as we see, we can navigate through the interface here. We have the dashboard, we can see the alerts, we can see the different detection rules, we can set up integrations we can add. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to install the agent on the system that we want to monitor. So the system I'm going to monitor is going to be a Windows VM. So I'm going to do 86, 64-bit architecture. And I'm going to go ahead and load my server and log in. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that command in terminal here. Alright, so I had to change my network configurations so that way it'll be online to reach the server to install the agent. So I just saved in a text file and then the agent.ps1 since it's PowerShell command, and I'll go ahead and run it. And as you can see, it's installing the agent on the system. Once the agent is enrolled, the second agent has been enrolled. And as you can see, my active directory machine is there. Yeah, it's by the name R2D2. Shout out to my Star Wars fans there. So what we're going to do is we'll go under policies and we can add the integration. And we don't want to prevent, we're just going to get capture alerts. So we'll change the prevent to detect. We'll go ahead and add, we'll go to influence. We're going to look at rules. And just a quick thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to run a couple times to see if it finds the commands that we're running. So we can filter lambda.exe. And as you can see, it finds those commands. Net users, so we're just going to run some PowerShell commands. And to get deeper visibility, we need to install sysmon. So we can go to sysmon, internals, download that. We can also go to GitHub to get a configuration file from Source Security. So shout out to them. And basically what you'll do is you'll paste that config and save it as XML document. And once you extract your sysmon zip, you're going to run sysmon exe -accept eula-i and wherever you name your config. And then we can go ahead and add the Windows integration. So that way it will have more logging capabilities there. And for PowerShell logging, we can go under Google policy and go down to Windows PowerShell. And we can enable these options right here. So I'm going to force, so go to my default policies, Group Policy Manager, and then go to computer configurations, Windows settings, administrative templates, software, Windows PowerShell. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to test and see if it alert on malware. So we can get an ECAR file. It's just a file that just has a signature as harmless, but it has a signature that flag is malware. So it's to test if malware gets up on your system.